Hello everyone. Let's solve Excel worksheet and understand how step by step we can proceed further. First thing, it is telling us to open a file called as Yacht and save the file with the name grade 7 division your name and yacht. Let's see. You can see the file here. Double click on it. You can open the file, click on file, save as, give it a name as mentioned, grade 7, mention your division and write your name. Once you are done, please note the location where you are saving. Currently I am saving in my download folder, in the same folder from which I opened my worksheet, and click on save. Make sure you are saving with the extension .xslx, that is the Excel file, xlsx, sorry. Let's see the next step. Sort the column data in column E, that is departure country, in ascending order. So here, column E, we need to sort the data. Click on sorting and custom sort. Here it is asking you to expand the selection. Yes, you have to do expand the selection, because if you will not do, it will not sort the data in a correct manner. Expand the selection. It is asking you to sort the data in ascending, which is A to Z. For the field depart country, cell value, because it's contain a header, that is the tick over here, click OK. So if you notice, the data has sorted. Now in cell A43, calculate the total number of yachts. So let's go to cell A, that is yacht name. 43, here it is not asking you to enter any of the text. Now it is asking me to calculate total number of yacht. That doesn't mean you have to use the sum. That means you have to count the total number of records. As it's having a text, we can use count A. Count A helps you out to understand if any of the field which is having a values inside. Count will help you out with the numbers. So here if you see, count helps you out the number of cell in a range, but it works only if the numbers are there in the field. Here we have a text. So if you see, count A gives you the range that are not empty. Currently we just need to find that only. Choose the range by just simply dragging and close the bracket. You can get the data as 41 record. In cell J43, calculate the total number of guests. J, here you can see it's all the numbers. So total number of guests, that means you have to calculate here sum, overall total number of guests. So equal to sum, bracket, choose the range and enter. You can see the guests are 393. In cell K43, calculate the average of day rate, the average price of the day rate, that has to be there in cell K. So either you can select the cell, go to the auto sum option in the home tab and choose average. It will find the average of that particular stuff. Here it is not mentioned right now to remove the decimal places, so we are not making that change. Next is highlight and format columns. So in column D, that is departure port, that is D column, apply a gray background color and format the cell in a border where text contains this. Now here you have to apply this to particular formatting style for the text as Branimir Marina. So first select this particular cell where we are applying conditional formatting. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and text that contains. So this is what we are expecting. Here it is not asking me to do it with the red color, so I'll go to the custom. In a custom format, it's asked me to do it in bold, and afterwards it's also telling me to apply a background color as gray. So you can go to field, choose the color, click OK, and you can see this is done for that particular task. So as discussed, for the day rate, where the rate is 1000 or more, we need to apply a red text color and format the cell with double underline and add a regular border. So we'll open Excel, day rate column. Please make sure you will not take the calculation of an average that you have just did it now. We'll go to again conditional formatting, highlight cell rule. This is greater than equal to, so we'll go to more rules. Here it is mentioned 1000 or more, so it will be greater than or equal to. Write 1000. Go to format again. First it should have a box border, a normal border, so go to the outline. Number 1, font, the color is red and it should be double underline. Go to underline, choose double underline, click OK and click OK. If you see all the data which is having value more than 1000, it is done with double underline and a border. Now next thing, it is asking display the value written in column K with the rupee symbol to represent the rates. Simply that includes the average that we have calculated. Go here, click on the drop down menu in a home tab. You can see currency symbol. In case in currency, if it is not showing rupees sign, go to more number format. From the symbol you can select a rupee symbol. As it is not mentioned anything regarding the decimal places, so we are not touching it. Click OK. Once you are done, go to the next. Insert a new row at the top and add a title as Tawara Yacht Company, Tawara Yacht Company, and apply the following style. So we'll scroll up, right click on number 1 and you can click on insert, or you can click on number 1. In a home tab you can see insert. By default it will insert at the top. So you need to write a title as this. It is not asking me to merge right now. Font as Cambria, size 24, bold and underline, and done. Now merge the cell from A1 to K1, select, merge and center, add a border to the entire table and align at center. The entire table will have a border now that includes this particular stuff also. Border, make sure the alignment, everything in center with the alignment, and save. With this you are done with this particular Excel sheet. Thank you so much. Please practice the same at home again.